Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I have a new unboxing for you guys from bornprettystore.com. They have kindly enough sent out a ton of beautiful stamping polishes and some image plates as well. And I did find out that I actually got some doubles when it comes to the stamping polishes. So I might be doing a giveaway in the future where I give away the double and still fully sealed like stamping items that I got, as well as some plates that I already have double in my collection. But if you're new to my channel, hi, I would really appreciate it if you would like to subscribe, hit that notification bell and give me a thumbs up as well. It really helps me and my channel out a lot. But first up in my little unboxing video, I wanted to show you these no smudge top coats. These are especially made to use if you have done a stamp design, because you guys know stamping polishes and stamp designs are usually very pigmented. And using a regular top coat, even if you have waited for 15 minutes or even longer, it still drags the pigment from those polishes across the entire nail and your design is pretty much ruined. So I decided to choose a couple of those no smudge top coats. One is by Born Pretty Store itself, like from their own brand, but I also got one from Nicole Diary, which is also sold at bornprettystore.com. Oh, and I do have a discount code of 20% if you want to use that. That is always in the description box down below, as well as in the pinned comment. So yeah, I will try to share the links to all of the products down below as well. But I definitely wanted to try both brands and both no smudge top coats because the prices are really affordable. I think the Nicole Diary was about $3.60 and I think the Born Pretty Store one was about $3.20 or something like that. It was very close, like price wise, I'd say. So I'm really curious to see what the differences are. Are there any differences? The Nicole Diary one does have a little bit more product in the bottle. That one is 9 milliliters, I have to say, compared to the 6 milliliters that the Born Pretty Store one has. So yeah, I'm definitely going to try and see which one works better. Maybe I'll even do like a separate video, like a full-on comparison video on those. So if you would like to see that and hear more about it, do let me know in the comments down below and I will try to make a video about that. But then I also got some really gorgeous stamping polishes, and I actually got a set of 15 shades. But while kind of like picking the items that I really wanted to try out for this month, I didn't see the names of the polishes, only the like number and letter combination. So every single color has a specific letter and number combination, as well as a name. And I was just a little bit stupid, I have to say, because I already had like 7 of the colors that were in this specific like stamping polish kit, I have to say. So here I'm just showing the colors that I didn't have yet, and of course all of these boxes are completely sealed with a little bit of plastic if you get them in the mail. So of course just remove the plastic. You can keep them in the boxes. That is actually something that I prefer to do, because even though there are stickers on the bottom of each and every single bottle, sometimes those stickers come apart, they get lost, stuff like that. So yeah, that is actually something that I really like to do myself, like personally for my own collection of polishes. If they come in boxes like these with the name on the box, I tend to keep the boxes as well. It's just really handy, and if the boxes aren't like see-through or anything like that, you can easily just add a little dot of the polish on the top of the box. So if it's in your cabinets or stash or however you like to organize your polishes, it's really easy for you to see what color is in what box. But yeah, these stamping polishes were in like a set of 15, but you can definitely order them separately as well. They have like so many different stamping polishes and they're all so gorgeous and all so good. Like the quality of these is really good. I have to say I haven't really tried many different brands when it comes to stamping polishes. I usually just grab my Born Pretty store ones or just go for a very well pigmented regular nail polish to do stamp designs with, but I just really love them. Like there's no need for me to get any other brands because the Born Pretty store ones are just good enough for me. Of course, I'd love to try some other brands, but usually those are quite expensive, and if I have the choice to get like a $10 bottle or one which is just in between $3 to $5, like of course you know I'm going for the less expensive one but like same quality one, if you know what I mean. Like I'm so Dutch, I would rather spend $5 than $10, even though maybe the $10 one is a very popular brand or something like that. I would rather choose one that is less expensive but just as good quality wise. You know, I'm Dutch. I'm just really Dutch. But yeah, I am pretty much in love with these colors, and these were just the 8 colors from the in total 15 colors that I got sent out, that I didn't have in my collection yet. So that is why I'm actually unboxing every single one of them, actually opening them as well, just to show you a little bit more up close and personal what the bottles look like. All of these bottles, the stamping polishes by Born Pretty store, as I mentioned, have a price between $3 to $5. They're really inexpensive. The only thing is some people kind of like are hesitant about the polishes just to buy them, because there's only 6 milliliters in these. I don't feel like that is not enough product if you compare it to like the price and stuff like that, because a little bit goes such a long way. And to be honest, I have never ever used up a full bottle of stamping polish from Born Pretty store before. I once had to throw one out because it was just too old and the cap wasn't like tightly screwed on, or not tightly enough screwed on, so it got kind of thick and just there was too much air in the bottle, so it got too thick and it just dried out. But yeah, I pretty much am a big fan of these stamping polishes, and usually like 9 out of 10 times when I do a stamp designs, I actually use these. So yeah, but here are the other 7 colors from that 15-piece stamping polish set that I already have in my collection. So here you can see all of the names. I will just show you them really quickly. If I decide to do a giveaway video on these and just give them to one lucky winner with some stamping plates as well, which I also have double in my collection, which are all still fully sealed, have the blue film on there and stuff like that. I'm just going to do a separate video and I will definitely let you know. It will mostly be international, but I'm just not quite sure when I'm able to make that video and when to exactly schedule it in for. I might even wait until I hit like 30k subscribers or something like that. I think that would be really fun to do an extra giveaway when I reach that huge milestone. Like for me, like reaching every additional 1,000 subscribers is such a huge milestone for me, and I love to celebrate together with you guys, because it is because of you that I'm actually like growing my channel and actually am able to do stuff like this. So yeah, big thank you for all of your support. I'd say I really love you guys so much, and I really hope you appreciate my work as well, because it does cost me a lot of my spare time to do these videos and to try out new stuff and go out on a hunt to actually try new items. And yeah, I'm just really grateful, and I just love to share stuff with you guys as well, as a big thanks. But yeah, back to the video, because I'm already sharing the new stamping plates that I got in this package as well. There are a couple of different ones. I already showed you the Born Pretty store one. Once again, big fan of the plates, big fan of the Nicole Diary plates as well. These are quite big. I think these are the XL ones. So those are usually around $5 to $6. The regular Born Pretty store ones, like the rectangular ones, those are usually, I think, like $250 towards $350 or something like that. Of course, you can always use my discount code if you want to. You can use it multiple times as well. Yeah, you know, I just want to share that and give a little heads up about that, so you can save some money as well. Be Dutch for a change. Save some money, don't spend too much. But yeah, I really love these plates and they're just really fun and kind of festive. At the moment, as some of you might know, I actually have 3 weeks off of work, so this holiday kind of inspired plate, I just really love it. I feel very festive and just like summer holiday-ish. But yeah, that was actually the entire unboxing video already. If you want any links, do check out my description box and my pinned comments. I will try to put those in there. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked it. Once again, if you have any questions or comments or anything like that, let me know in the comments down below and I would love to help you out. But yeah, I love you guys so much and I really hope you liked my video and I'd love to see you in one of my next videos.